YouTube. This is going to be my first coin unboxing. I ordered this coin from eBay, and it's the Crux coin, which is a concave Southern Sky silver 1 ounce coin from the Royal Australian Mint. They only minted 10,000, so I've never done an unboxing before, but it's very exciting, and I haven't been able to control my patience in terms of like opening this because I've been so excited. And here we go. Yeah, the seller actually sent it really quickly, and so I've been waiting to open it for 5 days now, which is very hard. Okay. Hopefully it won't be too difficult. I really enjoyed watching other people's unboxings because it makes me as excited to see what their coin is going to look like. The problem with an unboxing, I guess, is that you can only open it once, so you can't really reshoot the video. If something goes wrong, or if you don't like something that you've said, you're kind of stuck with it. So looks like she's wrapped it in a paper bag. This one came from a seller in Tassie, so we'll just have to see what she's got here. I paid a lot of money for this coin, probably too much. As a newbie, I probably went a little bit over the top with the price, but I couldn't find it anywhere else online, so I just had to have the coin, and I guess I paid too much for it, and hopefully I won't buy any more coins that are quite as expensive as this one. This one is the first in the series that's been released by the Royal Australian Mint. Like I said, they only did a mintage of 10,000 of this coin, and oh, that's nice. She's written a note to me. That's really sweet. Okay. Oh, that's really sweet. Can you see that note? Which is sort of explained what that there's something slightly wrong with the tin, but that's okay. A little bit of packaging. So, yeah, a bit more here. What else can I tell you about this coin? Well, I think it's a significant coin for Australians because, well, for anyone in the southern hemisphere, because it features a constellation of stars that are only visible from the southern hemisphere, and the Southern Cross is quite important. It's been featured on a lot of different flags all around the region. I think it's on the Australian flag, Samoa. Wow, okay. So this is the packaging, the outside packaging. Can you see that? It's beautifully packaged. And let's take a look inside. Oh, on the back it has a security holographic seal, sticker, label, and I guess that's just the barcode. Oh. So it comes in this beautiful tin. The Crux, Southern Sky. There was a French coin, a similar domed coin, released in 2009. I think someone on the Silver Stackers forum mentioned and compared it to this coin. But I really don't think it compares, because the French coin looked a little bit more like a tourist souvenir, whereas this one is beautifully printed and it really just focuses on the one constellation, and the constellation is fairly accurate as well. So that's the coin in this lovely kind of soft packaging here, display box. Comes with a certificate of authenticity, probably with, I think it has some information inside about the constellation that it's focused on. I don't know if you can see that. And the coin actually comes inside a concave seal, airtight container as well, and you can see there it says it has the navigational compass location of the actual constellation. And I'll just get a little bit closer so you can see. How's that? And then on the back it has Queen Elizabeth II. And that's it. Thanks, YouTube. Please make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below.